Ja. Asuntoskeittiö Tohvelantie.
Really nice sausage today on the 11th of February 2025. It was built in 1985. It's got fixtures, service at 63770, also here in Turenki, Janakkala, Finland.
Yeah, it's a Tohvelantie 9.
That's the address here.
Yeah.
Yes. Almost impossible to be inside here.
Yeah.
But we did it now.
Inspired by Kone and maintained by Kone.
It has to be from the beginning of 1985.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much. Look at pictures. That's the camera alarm.
That's